Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Social Tech Class 10 History of Indian Art Part 1. Let's start the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. What is art? It is a natural human instinct to want to share his experience, wisdom and emotion. When that instinct results in a beautiful creation, it is knowledge as art. So let's see in details. Art is artistic creation. It is in two types: visual art and performing art. Visual art called as Drik Kala and performing art called as Lalit Kala in Sanskrit. Let's see in detail. Tradition of art. There are two traditions of art: folk arts and classical arts in our India. Let's see one by one in detail. First, folk arts. Folk arts created by collective participation of the members of a social group called as a folk arts. Second, classical art, on the other hand, is expressed within an established frame of consistent rules. It needs a prolonged training to master any form of classical art. Then, style in the art. Artists tend to have their own method of working. This is known as the style of the artist. When a style is adopted by many artists over a prolonged period of time, it may become a tradition. Such tradition get established as a art style, called as a style in art. Maratha style of painting. Let's see in detail about Maratha style of painting. First, the Maratha style of painting began to develop in the later half of the 17th century CE. This style consists of color paintings, murals, and also miniature used in the manuscripts. Murals of Maratha style can be seen in the old Vadas. This style was influenced by the Rajputs and European style of the painting. Okay, so in the next video, part 2, we will see the topic Indian tradition of visual art. So please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you so much.